Hello and good morning to all of you. So now today is the last lecture as far as the objective sums of first chapter are concerned. So far we have practiced example 1 to 9. Now you can see last two example number 10 and 11. So first we begin with example number 10. Okay. Now what information is provided here? The closing capital of partner Girish is 96,000. After giving effect of drawings of 6,000 and divisible profit of 9,000. Calculate 8% interest on capital. Now friends, whenever it is asked to calculate interest on capital, remember interest is always calculated on opening capital. Now here capital is given, but it is a closing capital. Now how to find opening capital, that is a question mark. Now in 11th standard, if you remember, in balance sheet we have learned one table કે opening capital, okay, પછી એમાં તમે net profit add કરો અને drawings minus કરો, તો you will get here outside closing capital. બરાબર, આ રીતના આપણે આવતું હતું. closing capital આપણે outer column માં મળે. બરાબર. Now here closing capital is given 96,000, divisible profit is given 9,000 and drawings are given 6,000. So if we make the reverse of this, okay, that means closing capital માં drawings plus कर दिए and net profit minus करिए, so we will get opening capital. Yes or no? So from that one equation we can set, and that equation is like this. Okay, opening capital is equal to, equations કઈ રીતના બને કે opening capital is equal to, શું આપ્યું છે, opening capital is equal to closing capital plus drawing minus profit. Another angle to understand, if we prepare account, તો જો opening capital always credit side ઉપર હોય, પછી profit add થયું અને drawings minus થયું ત્યારે આપણે closing capital મળે. તો here closing capital is given 96,000, તો એમાં drawings plus કરી દો અને profit minus કરી દો, so we will get opening capital which is equal to 93,000. Okay, you just understand this working. So opening capital is 93,000. 93,000 ના કેટલા percentage interest કીધું? 8%. So 93,000 into 8%, that is coming 7440. So this is how the sum is to be solved. The sum is very simple, short, but it is based on a basic concept. Sum તમને 1 મિનિટમાં જ કરી શકો if the concepts are clear. Okay. Now moving ahead, the last example, example number 11. Jeenat, Akshara and Sapna are partners sharing profit and loss in equal proportion. That is 1:1:1. Their total capital is 3 lakh. The proportion of their capital is 2:3:5. Firm pays 6% interest per annum on capital. Partner Akshara received 45,400 including interest on capital. Compute what amount inclusive of interest is received by Jeenat and Sapna. So here a basic hint is given. One partner received 45,400. So we will prepare a small table. You have to prepare this table in your book. Jeenat, Akshara and Sapna, write down the name. Now total capital is given 3 lakh. Barabar. Instead of giving individual capital, here total capital is given 3 lakh. But proportion is also given 2:3:5. So if we divide the capital as per the proportion, अपने capital ना figures मળી ગયા 60, 90 and 1,50,000. You can do this calculation in your calculator. Now firms pay 6% interest on capital. So if we calculate 6% interest on capital આ figure ના, so we will get 3,600, 5,400 and 9,000. That is interest on capital at 6% on their capital. Okay. Now one line gap you have to keep, that is of divisible profit. આ એક લાઈનનો ગેપ રાખો અને પછી તમે લખો profit including interest on capital. તો અહીંયા તમને અક્ષરા જે છે એનું આપી દીધું છે 45,400. You can see 45,400 અક્ષરા receives total including interest on capital. આ ફિગર તમે અહીંયા લખી નાખો. બરાબર. જો આ જોઈને હું જેવી રીતના સર્કલ કરું છું અકોર્ડિંગલી લખશો તો જ સમજાશે. આ બેના ખાલી રાખો, જીનત અને અક્ષરાનું બ્લેન્ક રાખો, સોરી જીનત અને સપનાનું બ્લેન્ક રાખો. અક્ષરામાં 45,400 તમે લખો as she is getting total. Now in that there is a interest of capital 5,400. So if we deduct 5,400 from 45,400, આ 45,400 એમાંથી ઇન્ટરેસ્ટના માઇનસ કરો તો 40,000 રૂપીસ જે છે એ એને શેના મળતા હશે? પ્રોફિટના મળતા હશે કે નહીં? સો ધીસ 60,000 વોટ ઇઝ સર્કલ્ડ હિયર, ઇટ ઇઝ અ મિસિંગ ફિગર. દેટ ઇઝ she is getting total 45,400, including interest on capital 5,400, so profit will be 40,000. Now if the profit of Akshara is 40,000, so but obvious profit of Jinat will be 40,000 and profit of Sapna will be 40,000, as their profit sharing ratio is equal, 1:1:1, તો 340,000 મળે ને profit. Now once we get the figure of profit, તો એમાં interest on capital તમે પ્લસ કરી નાખો, so you will get Jinat will receive 43,600 and Sapna will receive 49,000. So what is they are expecting, how much amount will be received by each partner. So friends, this is basic examples that we have discussed, example 1 to 11. બોર્ડ એક્ઝામ્સના પોઈન્ટ ઓફ વ્યૂથી તમારે આ સમ જે છે 3 માર્ક્સ માટે પ્રિપેર કરવાનું છે, બરાબર છે. Now example number 12 onwards, they are somewhat connected with the final account. So final accountમાં હું તમને એ સમજાવીશ. એક્ઝામ્પલ 12થી લઈને આઈ થિંક 15 કે 16 સુધીના સમ્સ છે, બરાબર, 16 સુધીના. ઓકે, ફ્રોમ એક્સરસાઇઝ you prepare all MCQs and main important thing is question number 3. Question number 3 ની અંદર there are again total 11 or 12 sum. You can see 1 2 થી લઈને total 11 સુધીના સમ્સ છે જે આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસ કર્યા. એક્ઝામ્પલ સેમ questions are there in exercise with different names and figure. So you all prepare for this unit test by practicing this 11 sum. Now in next lecture I will give you basic idea about the final account of partnership firm, બરાબર છે, કઈ રીતના final accounts prepare થાય, that I will explain in the next lecture. Thank you.